Guys, I see the comments. Let's set the record straight once and for all and have an honest discussion about hair reviews. Also, if you're in the market and you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly unit, I may have one of interest. If you're interested in joining in this conversation and hearing more about it, make sure you keep watching. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, I want to just profess to you guys that the devil is a liar. Okay? And a lot of times he comes disguised as a man. But that's another conversation for another day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Glad to have you. All that other good stuff. I know why you're here, so let's just get straight to it. So I'm going to be doing an RPG hair review on their new, I think it's like a 3D cap unit that they have. Now, if you are a friend of the channel, then you already know that my last video, I was having a little issues with the wig cap fitting. So let's hope this has been fixed, because if not, this is going to be the last time y'all see this, this vendor on this channel. And to say something about that, I know a lot of times you guys are saying, oh, this is a sponsored video, you're paid to say you like a wig. And that's completely false. Well, I'm going to only speak for myself because I can only tell you what I do. My integrity is never for sale, okay? And I know it may seem like, oh, you like every wig that you post. But the reason I like every wig that I post is because the wigs that I don't like, I don't post. It's that simple. Now, I know I could post a video telling you I don't like a wig, but discrediting a vendor has never been something that I want to do. If I can't help promote someone's business, then I'd rather just leave it alone. And I turn down money on a daily basis. So if I tell you I like a wig, it's because I like the wig. If you get a wig and you don't like it, then you don't like the wig. We are two different people. This is called life. Don't sit here and call me a liar just because you got a bad wig, okay? Like, let's just be fair. Fair is fair. And another thing to take into consideration is that sometimes you may just get a bad wig. Like, just like clothing have issues, you might find stuff that ends up in a sample sale because it wasn't stitched correctly. The same thing happens with wigs. The same thing happens with shoes. The same thing happens with a lot of items that are sold because it's just the nature of the business, okay? So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Now, I have a long working relationship with RPG hair, and however, in my last video, I was having a little issue with the lace gathering. And as always, what you guys don't see is that behind the scenes, when I have a wig and there's issues, I always tell the vendor about it. Now, I have one or two things they could do. They could either correct it or they don't, right? A lot of times they don't want to correct it. And I just typically don't work with them anymore. It's just as simple as that. Maybe it was just that particular unit. So they said they have a new wig cap. It's a new 9x6 HD wig cap. So let's go ahead and jump right in and see what this wig look like. I just want to clarify again, RPG Hair and RPG Show are two different companies. A lot of you guys are confusing the two. They are two totally different companies, okay? RPG Show sells more premium, expensive units. RPG Hair sells more affordable, beginner-friendly units. Now that all of that is out the way, let's look at this unit. Okay, so this is their 9x6 HD wig. 9x6, so you're gonna have 9 inches of lace across, 6 inches back. You're gonna also have the removable adjustable elastic band. They also have these removable combs, so if you don't want to use these combs, just take them out. And they also have these same removable combs on the side, so if you're a person who don't like to have combs, feel free to take them out. I don't use them, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. They also have these cutouts for your ears. I am going to spray some of my lace tint spray on this lace. Okay, dolls, if you don't have a good tinting spray, please invest in one. The magic that it performs is just second to none. My tinting spray matches my skin complexion so much better than the concealer or foundation that I use. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you're going to see once I show you the second install how it compares when I just add the foundation as opposed to using the tinting spray. So after I've flattened the top, I am going to turn this into a side part install. You guys already know I'm team side part all day, every day. And I decided to add some little baby hairs on the side for a little razzle dazzle. You guys know I don't really do baby hairs too much, but I did feel like adding some in this particular install. I went ahead and I cut a few layers into this unit because I'm just not really into straight hair without any layers. I just feel like layered hair curls, flows, and just lays better. But that's in my opinion. Wear your unit however you want. I added a couple of curls to this unit and added my finished touches. And guys, this is what the final look of the curling part of this unit. Stay tuned. As I said, I am going to show you a second install and a more in-depth review for this particular unit. Okay, dolls, so now that I've given you a preview of what this unit looks like straight out the box, I decided I wanted to give y'all a more in-depth review on this unit just to see how the improvements have been made for RPG hair. So I went ahead and I did wash the wig. I let it air dry, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna run my fingers through the hair. I'm not really experiencing any tangling. Light shedding, but nothing out of the ordinary. All wig shed. So far so good. I am going to go ahead and straighten this unit, and I am happy to report that this unit actually does straighten very easily. I was able to get it straight with one pass. You can see the nice luster and thickness of this unit is full from root to tip. And this is a 200% density unit. Not sure if I mentioned that, but that's why it is so full. Okay, dolls, so this is what the unit looks like straight. You guys let me know, which way do you prefer? Do you prefer it with curls or do you prefer it straight? So let's get into the specs of this unit. This is a 22-inch 200% density body wave unit by RPG Show. I'm going to show you guys how long this hair looks in its curly state as well as in the straight state. In any event, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'd love to have you. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out these videos. You might enjoy them as well. As always, important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.